and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to sync new leads from Facebook ads to Google Sheets automatically. So as a business owner, I am running some new Facebook lead ads over here. And here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically capture the leads from Facebook ads and sync them to Google Sheets. This will help you stay organized, manage follow-ups easily and track all your leads in one place. Alright, so as you all know that I capture leads from Facebook ads and sync them automatically to Google Sheets for better organization, follow-up management and reporting. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I've already created with the name Prime Properties. And here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a new test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So for that, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool. So this is my lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've already pre-filled the form over here, such as type of property, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state and the zip code. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says we have successfully made a lead submission over here. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the name, email, phone number, type of property, city, street address, state and the zip code. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheet with your Facebook lead ads, with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here on my screen you can see the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward let me tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges. It's an active, supportive space to learn and grow together. The link to join the community is in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as sync new leads from Facebook ads to Google Sheets automatically. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. And then I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant. So that when I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me to select the page name. So I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Prime Properties. So I'm going to select the page as Prime Properties over here. And here after selecting the page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So for that, let me all take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here in the lead ads form, you can see all the forms that I've created over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select the form as lead form new. And here you can create your own lead ad form. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here for the lead gen form, I'm going to select lead form news. So here I've selected this single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as soon as I've clicked on this, it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. That means here we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. That means here we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So for that, let me all take you back to the lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And then I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. And now here after refreshing the window, I'm going to select my page again, that is Prime Properties, and my form as lead form new. And then I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a lead generation. So here for the type of property, I'm going to select rental property. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. Here for the street address, I'm going to enter the street address as 000 XYZ. City as Bhopal again. State as Madhya Pradesh. Here for the zip code, I'm going to select the country as India and a random zip code. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received all the details from our Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add a new row. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and there it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Facebook Leads. So I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet over here. And now here after selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking me to select the sheet. So I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then it is asking me to enter the name, email, phone number, type of property, city, street address, state, and the zip code. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the name over here. So for that, I'm going to select the first name and then I'm going to enter a space and then I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to map the lead's email address. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Here for the type of property, I'm going to map the type of property. Here for the city, I'm going to map the city, street address, state, and lastly the zip code. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send as request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added all the details in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added a new detail over here where we have received the name, email, phone number, type of property, city, street address, state, and the zip code. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details are going to be added over here in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to sync new leads from Facebook ads to Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.